If you're following the news, all of the headlines about conditions in the current housing market may leave you with more questions than answers. Is the boom over? Is the market crashing or correcting? Here's what you need to know. The housing market is moderating compared to the last 2 years. But what everyone needs to remember is that the past 2 years were record-breaking in nearly every way. Record low mortgage rates and millennials reaching peak home buying years led to an influx of buyer demand. At the same time, there weren't enough homes available to purchase thanks to many years of underbuilding and sellers who held off on listing their homes due to the health crisis. This combination led to record high demand and record low supply, and that wasn't going to be sustainable for the long term. The latest data shows early signs of shift back to the market pace seen in the years leading up to the pandemic. Not a crash, nor a correction. As Realtor.com says, the housing market is at a turning point. We're starting to see signs of a new direction. What is that direction for the real estate market in Telluride? We had a strong first quarter. Due to limited inventory, our highly sought after region saw a 29% decrease in listings sold, yet a 22% increase in total sales volume compared to the same time frame last year. The town of Telluride recorded a 70% increase in average sold price across all property types, a 68% increase in the average price per square foot, and a 47% increase in the highest sold price, increasing from a 9.5 million property last year to a 14 million property this year. Single-family homes in Telluride increased in value by 68% from an average sold price of $3,800,000 in 2021 to $6,400,000 this year, and condominiums and townhomes throughout town saw an 80% increase on average from $1,130,000 to $2,033,000. Additionally, the neighboring town of Mountain Village saw a 58% increase in average sold price and a 38% increase in the highest sold property price, rising from $7.7 million in 2021 to $10.7 million. Land values also increased in value in the Slopeside town, with the average sold price rising from $603,000 to $995,000, an increase of 65%. The closer to the resort, the higher the appreciation value for Telluride and Mountain Village properties. In 2021, the outlying agricultural communities in San Miguel County offered buyers higher volumes of inventory and steadying property values. However, in the first quarter of 2022, these communities reflected the high demand trends of the resort town neighbors. Just 40 minutes away from Telluride, Norwood saw a 33% increase in average sold price and a 64% decline in properties sold from 11 in 2021 to 4 in 2022. Demand for the surrounding mesas was up as well, with an astonishing 103% increase in average sold price, rising from $2.4 million to $4.9 million, and a 25% decrease in properties sold. The bottom line, if recent headlines are generating any concerns, look at a more typical year for perspective. The current market is not a crash or correction. It's just a turning point towards more typical pre-pandemic levels. Let's connect if you have any questions about our local market and what it means for you when you buy or sell this year. Message me if you have any questions or comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.